In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a read preferred routing rule using the Unity admin command line utility. A read preferred routing rule can be used to direct the read requests to a designated Teradata system managed by Unity. Let's sign in to the Unity admin tool by providing the username and password. I used the routing update command to create rule 3. Here, read is configured with preferred option such that all read requests will be sent to Astro first and then Chili. Write is configured such that the write requests will be sent to Astro or Chili with no specific ordering. Then I used the user update command to associate mstr_user2 with rule 3. The 3 wildcard characters are for account string, role, and profile. With routing list command, you can see that rule 3 has been created, and user list command shows that mstr_user2 is associated with rule 3. Now I'll go to the viewpoint portal to see if this gets reflected in the UI. Go to the session routing tab under Unity configuration. Click on the routing rules option and you can see that rule 3 is created with a read preferred option and reads directed to Astro first and then Chili. Click on the user mappings button and you can see that mstr_user2 is associated with rule 3. I'm going to show you an example using the read preferred routing rule. The purpose of doing this is to show that when a read query is executed, it will return data from the preferred system. In this case, it is Astro. To demonstrate this, I'll be loading different records into Astro versus Chili so that we can differentiate the Teradata system from where reads are returned. I begin by logging into the Unity server because I want to create a table into which I can put some records so that I can demonstrate the effect of read preferred routing rule. I'm creating a table under mstr_user2 database which gets created under all the backend Teradata systems managed by Unity. Now I log in to the backend Teradata system Astro and insert a few records into mstr_user2.abc table. Now I'm going to log on to Chili and load different records into the mstr_user2.abc table than Astro. I'm doing this so that it is easier to show from which system read queries are returning data. Let's go back to the logged on session of Unity Gluon and run read query on mstr_user2.abc. We'll see that every time select statement is executed, value 999 is returned. Astro is listed first in the order of the read preferred systems in the routing rule, rule 3. In Chili, the value that was loaded into the table is 1000, but that is not returned because Chili is listed second in the order of the read preferred systems. Now, if we review the routing list and the user list for a second, we can see that Astro is listed first in the order of the read preferred systems. And that's why values were always returned back from Astro. I want to show you one more thing, that since a BTEC session through Unity using mstr_user2 is still open, we can see this information in viewpoint portal under session tab under Unity director. You can see that a session by mstr_user2 is open and is associated with rule 3.